Hello fellow artisans and paper crafters, it's Chandra from Stockton Stuff. I am here with November's Doll Play with MLK with Memory Lane Keepsakes, and I had bought these My Favorite Things kiddo stamps. They had some that I have the little girl and the boy, but today I used the girl because I'm making some gifts for a set of twins, and so I wanted to use her. And then I also have this one. It's kind of fall inspired, but I used the stamp out of it that says maybe I didn't, maybe I used the one from the boy, so I do have the wrong one, but I'll show you what it is. So it is the You Are Loved, and actually it's out of the stamp set with the boy in it. And so, you know, I fell in love with this bag. You saw me make it last week for my No Spin November, and so today I did it again, and I used my Michaels again. I pulled out my Hearth and Harvest paper pad Craft Smart from last year, and I used my little girl and the matching die. And so what I did was I stamped her on acetate, and I used my markers and I colored the front and the back just to give it a deeper color. And then I cut out the die on the bag before I put the bag together. And then I added some, you see it's got some shaker bits in there. Added some sequins in there, and I colored the girls opposite because they're twins, but they have the same color outfit. So green with the orange sweater, and then orange with the green sweater, and then the green, you can't see the shoes because the shakers are in there. And then I did the same thing with the bow. I used a bow die that I have, and I cut one in green foil and one in an orange, well, bronze. It's a coppery colored foil. And what's inside is I had been buying some things. So there is a pair of safety scissors with the cover, and there is a frozen it's a lead pencil, and one pack is glitter, and the other one has I think metallic crayons. I got them at the Dollar Tree. And then a couple of pieces of candy. So I just wanted to give them a little, oh, and there's a strip of puffy stickers. I just wanted to give them a little something for Thanksgiving. And so I thought I would play with my dolls and the bag that I fell in love with last week. So I just made a couple of more, and I'll try not to make any more so I won't bore you guys. But thanks for watching.